And this is my kale right here. I got to get some of that kale, y'all. That's why I came out here, basically. Get some. And look at here, I got a head. You see that cabbage head? Got a cabbage head. It's forming. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Cabbage. Oh, purple cabbage. I'm so excited about that cabbage. But look, I found this morning. Look at those bell peppers. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? Two bell peppers. I got two bell peppers. Oh, goodness. Now, this is my kale, y'all. This is my beautiful kale. I bought this from Walmart not too long ago, but I'm going to harvest some of that this morning. This kale, it needs to be harvested. So, and I am going to get some of this here. Cut some of these here. Got to get some of this kale because it is growing. And I'm going to can this, y'all. I'm going to can this kale. Well, hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a beautiful day here in Central Florida. It is so nice outside. So I'm going to harvest, not much, just a little bit, because most of our cold crops are going away now. So I think this may be my last harvest. So anyway, I got a few mustards I want to harvest, and a few collards, and a little bit of kale, and show you around a little bit. So I got a few mustards I want to go ahead and harvest over here. So this is this probably gonna be, but this is still growing pretty good right here though. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these leaves here. This is still growing pretty good. As my cruciferous is still hanging in here. There's some kale right here, but I'm not gonna touch that. They start growing. And these, I'll see my beans right here, y'all. Look at that. These beans are really growing. These beans are growing. And my tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes, y'all. Look at all these tomatoes. I got a lot of tomatoes. Look at all these tomatoes. The tomato plants are doing beautifully. Look at there. Some of them are ripe. I got to get them before the birds get them. But look at these tomatoes. They are just blooming, blooming, blooming. They are beautiful. And this okra and everything Willie has planted, this sweet peppers and okra, these okra plants right here. See these okra. But they are doing good. They are doing good. These onions, I don't know how big they're gonna be, but they hanging on. They hanging on. They hanging. Well, all these are peppers, y'all. That's my mistake. All these are peppers. All these are peppers. I thought I saw okra, but all these are peppers. Onions. This is a sunflower that he planted. Sunflower, little sunflower gonna come up right here. And look at this here. This is to zucchini squash. This is the zucchini squash plant I bought from Walmart, and this thing is just taking off. So he's gonna have to replant that. That's a zucchini, and it is taking off. And these are some kind of cherry trees right here. It's not weeds. It's not weeds. Cause I keep calling them weeds, but he said, "Honey, that's not weeds. That's the cherry." I said, "Oh, okay, okay." But that's the cherry plants right there. And look at these, and that's another sunflower he planted that my aunt bought me the sunflower seeds right here, and she bought me. Look at these, but these here onions are gonna be big. These are gonna be some big onions, and these are potatoes right here, still coming along well. And this is more sunflower, but I can't wait to see how those onions gonna be. I know they're gonna be big. And that's some more pepper plants on the back fence back there. Some more pepper plants. These here is some flowers right here. As you can see the tag in there, but they haven't came up yet. So I can't wait to see how those gonna look. Those will look pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a few of these here mustard greens here off. Now some of my mustards have bolted and then going to seed, but I haven't seen any seeds yet. because I want to save some of these seeds from these mustard plants, and these mustards still smell good. And because I would like to have, you see how big these leaves is, I want some big more mustards like this here. And I'm going to save those seeds, and then I'm going to replant them. Yep, I'm going to replant them for the fall, for the next fall harvest. But, and these are my collards. They still hanging in there, y'all. I'm going to cut a little bit of these in, because what I'm going to do, what I'm planning on doing is harvesting this little bit here, and I'm just going to can them. I'm just going to mix them together, have some mixed greens, can them, so I can have them. But I just cut these a few weeks ago, because I cooked some fresh greens, when I got some fresh greens and cooked them. And that's another pepper plant back here. It's doing great. Some big old, there's this big old onions right here. Look at that. I could cut some of these off and use this right now. There's some more pepper plants right here. And this is my kale right here. I got to get some of that kale, y'all. That's why I came out here, basically. Get some. And look at here, I got a head. You see that cabbage head? Got a cabbage head. It's forming. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Cabbage. Oh, purple cabbage. I'm so excited about that cabbage. But look, I found this morning. Look at those bell peppers. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? Two bell peppers. I got two bell peppers coming. Oh, goodness. Now, this is my kale, y'all. This is my beautiful kale. I bought this from Walmart not too long ago, but I'm going to harvest some of that this morning. This kale, it needs to be harvested. So, and I am going to get some of this here, cut some of these here. Got to get some of this kale because it is growing. And I'm going to can this, y'all. I'm going to can this kale and these remaining greens I have because they both take the same time to can. So I said, oh, I just do it all in one shot. hmm This kale is so soft. It is soft. It is very soft. You see, this is what I'm saying. It don't take much. We got to start thinking outside the box. Cause the government tell you everything is all right, but it's not all right. You got to start thinking for yourself. There's some more pepper back there, y'all. Cause I went to the grocery store, and I just wanted to see. Um, I told my husband I wanted to see what was disappearing off the shelf when I went shopping. Could I notice anything disappearing from the shelves? And I did notice that the sardines and the tuna was disappearing off the shelf, and I noticed the pasta aisle, stuff was disappearing from the pasta aisle. So you got to keep a eye on things when you're in the store. And I noticed that the detergent was disappearing. The bleach was getting a little low on some of the aisle. So you got to start stacking up on stuff and be ready because there's a storm coming. There's a storm coming. I don't know when, but we got to be prepared. So you want to be prepared, you and your family. You want to be prepared for you and your family. Gas prices may go down, but don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled when you see prices go down. That don't mean that the economy is getting better. Don't be fooled. You got to be ready. Okay. Isn't this kale beautiful though? Isn't this kale beautiful? It is beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna can so now so it can grow again, get some of this weight off of it. But it's nothing like coming out to your own garden, getting fresh stuff. All right, y'all. Well, we're gonna move on. It is such a beautiful day today in Central Florida. It's so nice. I'm out here this morning cutting this in, so I'm gonna get a little bit of this here done because it's such a beautiful day. But everything is coming along very, very well in the garden. I'm so happy. I'm so pleased with everything. Now this here is beginning to bolt, but I haven't seen any seeds yet. I haven't seen any seeds yet, but it is beginning to bolt. I'm not going to cut anything off of this one because as you can see the color, this is not really, really good right there because it just be a bitter taste because it's about done. But it is beginning to bolt and I want to save some of these seeds from these mustard green. And I'm beginning to bolt on this one also as you can see. But walk by, that's beginning to bolt. So I'm not going to harvest anything off of here. Um, so and these are some more of those. That's another head right here. That's the might be the first. Yeah, this is another head, y'all. I got two heads right here coming. So I got two heads, and here's a head in here. So I got three heads coming. There's a head in here. If you can barely see it, but there's a little cabbage head in there, y'all. I'm gonna go and get a few of these collards here. They're about done also. But I say we've been eating greens for a while, so all I can say is God is good, and you see what they in, y'all. You see what they in, right? Grow bags. Oh, look at this. There is a I can't even think of the name of it. Ladybug. There is a ladybug. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm gonna let her go and do her thing. She can go and do her thing. Ain't no bother. The ladybug. Did y'all see that video my husband did with the bees? That bee back. Ooh, them bees was just a flying back here. And I bought me some mint. He got to plant my mint for me. I bought some mint. Say mint is good in the garden. And plus I like to drink me some mint tea. Some mint tea. But I'm gonna go and get these few greens here. And like I say, this probably be my last really decent picking of these here. And they'll die back. And even some of my collards, they're bolting. And I would like to go ahead and use use the same collards. And these here, this is bolting. As you can see right here, this is getting a flower on it. That's bolting. And this is another cabbage. This is a different cabbage. It's getting, see that little head right there, y'all? Look at that cabbage head. This is a regular cabbage. Got a head right there. And they got some more peppers. We're going to have lots of peppers. And we plan on planting some peppers down there on their property. Because peppers, it will do good in the heat. So the greens lasted, I have to say, they lasted a long time. We've been very blessed, very fortunate. They lasted a long time. A long time. A long time. Saved me a lot of money, y'all. And look, these came back. They coming back. These they had we had some that got killed by the freeze, but I noticed in the front yard I got some. They coming back again. These pansies, they coming back again. They are coming back again. Well, I do see a couple of leaves over here. They look pretty good. Impatience. Excuse me, my husband had to correct me. Impatience. Okay. Well, I hope y'all had a blessed week. I did. All right. Look at these. And you see these in the grow bags. They in the grow bags. You can have them. They are in the grow bags. I know y'all get tired of me, but I'm just trying to encourage you to get your garden started in a grow bag or in a pot or anything. Be self-sustainable because I'm telling you, there's some rough waters coming ahead, but you're going to be ready. You're going to be ready because you know what? You can do it. You can do it. So you're going to be prepared. You're going to be ready. You won't be rushing to the store trying to get this, trying to get that. Why? Because you got it on your porch. You got it on your porch. You got it on your porch. But just want to give you a quick update about the garden. And I want to encourage you that continue to go ahead on and try your garden in the grow pots. Because you know what? It's a good thing to do. And it's just the times we're living in. And plus it is calming, relaxing, and you will enjoy it and eat the fruits of your labor, what you have done. So I got a surprise for y'all, so hold on. This is just the first part, but I got a surprise for y'all I want to show you. So stick with me, hold on, I'll be right back.